Listen up, flow traders. We're all about to spill the beans on a money-making scalping strategy. Use two amazing and totally free indicators. Watch us put the strategy to the test with 150 real trades, and we'll show you the actual results. We'll be using the popular TradingView platform, so feel free to use any chart you like, but we suggest sticking to the 5 or 15 minute time frame for the best results. Now let's get the ball rolling with our first indicator. Head over to the indicators tab and search for the EMA and pullback indicator. Once you spot it, give it a click and voila, it'll add it to your chart in a jiffy. Now that we've added the EMA and pullback indicator, we need to fine-tune the default settings to make the most of our strategy. Don't worry, it's a piece of cake. Just follow a line and you'll be all set. Click the indicator settings and let's adjust numbers to match your scalping game plan. Keep watching as we'll add one more secret weapon to our chart, another powerful indicator to make your trades even more profitable. But before we continue, we hope you're enjoying the video. If you find our advice useful and want more trading knowledge, make sure to subscribe to the TradeGenius YouTube channel. Discover over 300 videos packed with valuable tips to become a skilled trader. Stick around as we share more insider secrets of profitable scalping trading with these amazing indicators. You won't want to miss what's coming up. Now, let's add a powerful sidekick to your trading strategy, the 10 and 1 different moving averages indicator. It's like having a bunch of moving averages all rolled into one super tool. Head over to the indicators tab on TradingView and search for the 10 and 1 different moving averages. Once you find it, click on it to add it to your chart and you're ready to rock. Now, let's fine-tune this baby to match your trading style. Don't sweat it, it's a piece of cake. Just play around with the settings and make the most out of those market trends. Great job on setting up the indicators. Get excited for the next part where we'll reveal the exact trading rules to use these indicators and show you how well the strategy performs in the backtesting demonstration. To enter a sell trade, follow these simple steps. Identify a downtrend on the chart, ensuring that 50 RMA line is below the 200 SMA line and both are below the 300 SMA line, with the price underneath all moving averages. Then look for a bullish pullback signal printed above a candlestick by the EMA pullback indicator. So once these conditions are met, open a sell position. For risk management and sell trades, set your stop loss using the most recent market swing high or slightly above one of the moving average lines, focusing on proper risk management. To set a profitable trade target for sell trades, set your target at 1.5 times the distance between your entry level and a stop loss level to maximize profitability. Okay, let's chat about buy trade rules. First, you want to find an uptrend on the chart, making sure the 50, 200, and 300 lines are stacked in the right order with the price sitting above them. Next, keep an eye out for a bullish pullback signal from the EMA pullback indicator appearing under a candlestick. Once you see that, it's time to open a buy position. For risk management and buy trades, place your stop loss using the most recent market swing low, or consider placing it slightly below one of the moving average lines. Risk management is crucial, so stay sharp. To set a solid trade for buy trades, aim for 1.5 times the distance between your entry level and stop loss level. That's it. You're on your way to making smart and profitable buy trades. Alright folks, hold on to your hats. We've got some awesome backtesting results to share. Our strategy went head to head with the gold chart rocking a 15-minute time frame and a 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio. You won't believe the killer outcomes. Out of 150 trades, we crushed it with a 64% win rate and snagged a mind-blowing total profit of 142%. We put this bad boy through its pace for 13 weeks, even pulling off an incredible 11 win streaks against just 5 losses in a row. The numbers keep getting better. Our profit factor comparing profit to loss clocked in at an insane 2.67, while max drawdown barely made a dent at a measly at 4.9%. This strategy's got some serious game, so don't miss our recommended video featuring a must-know strategy to unlock even more profitable trades. Click now and discover the secrets to make money in the Market Locker Pro. Happy trading!